Pokmon Rumble, Pokemon Puzzle League, Pokemon Puzzle League, AU Pikachu, AU Pikachu, Pokmon Quest, Pokmon Quest, Pokmon Shuffle, Pokmon Pinball, Pokmon Pinball, Detective Pikachu, PokPark 2 Wonders Beyond, Pokmon Rumble Blast, Pokmon Rumble Blast, Pokmon Bank, PokPark Pikachu's Adventure, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon, Gates to Infinity, Pokmon Battle Revolution, Pokmon Battle Revolution, Pokmon Tournament DX, Pokmon Ranger Guardian Signs, Pokmon Ranger Shadows of Almia, Pokmon Ranger Shadows of Almia, Pokmon Conquest, Pokmon Conquest, Pokmon Pinball, Pokmon Pinball, Pokmon Super Mystery Dungeon, Pokmon Tournament, Pokmon Tournament, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Rescue Team DX, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Rescue Team DX, Pokmon Go, Pokmon Go, Pokmon Ranger, Pokmon Ranger, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Darkness/Time, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Darkness/Time, Pokmon Sun and Moon, Pokmon Let's Go Pikachu and Let's Go Eevee, Pokmon Let's Go Pikachu and Let's Go Eevee, Pokmon XD Gale of Darkness, Pokmon XD Gale of Darkness, Pokmon Snap, Pokmon Snap, Pokmon Trading Card Game, Pokmon Trading Card Game, Pokmon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon, Pokmon Stadium 2, Pokmon Stadium 2, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon, Blue Rescue Team and Red Rescue Team, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon, Blue Rescue Team and Red Rescue Team, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Sky, Pokmon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Sky, Pokmon Sword and Shield. Pokmon Sword and Shield. Pokmon Colosseum. Pokmon Colosseum. Pokmon X and Y. Pokmon X and Y. Pokmon Stadium. Pokmon Stadium. Pokmon Black/White version 2. Pokmon Black/White version 2. Pokmon Black and White. Pokmon Black and White. Pokmon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. Pokmon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. Pokmon Crystal. Pokmon Crystal. Pokmon Diamond and Pearl. Pokmon Diamond and Pearl. Pokmon Yellow Special Pikachu Edition. Pokmon Yellow Special Pikachu Edition. Pokmon Ruby and Sapphire. Pokmon Ruby and Sapphire. Pokmon Red and Blue. Pokmon Red and Blue. Pokmon Gold and Silver. Pokmon Gold and Silver. Pokmon Fire Red and Leaf Green. Pokmon Fire Red and Leaf Green. Pokmon Platinum. Pokmon Platinum. Pokmon Emerald. Pokmon Emerald. Pokmon Heart Gold and Soul Silver.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.